Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at VidIQ. VidIQ shows you exactly what to title your videos so people actually find them on YouTube. I've spent some real time with it. So there are 3 things worth knowing about VidIQ. Keyword research, built for YouTube. Type any phrase and see exact search volume, competition score, and related keywords that might rank faster with less effort. You've also got competitor data overlaid on my scores. I gave ease of use a 90, features a 80, value for money 80, and support 70. Solid across the board, especially for the price. Things I genuinely liked. Free Chrome extension delivers immediate value from day one. Keyword research alone justifies the install for any active YouTube channel. Daily Ideas feature removes the blank page problem for I'm giving VidIQ a 8 out of 10. If you're serious about YouTube growth, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.